Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel Nutan Online Study. So today in this video we will see how to make lesson plan on the topic season. Okay, so you can use this lesson plan for class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because this topic is there in, I think, in every classes. So you can make it according to your need. Okay, so here you can see, and this topic is there in EVS as well as science also, so you can use this for both. Okay, after that, previous knowledge, here you can see. So students have like little bit knowledge about seasons like winter season, rainy seasons and summer season. General aim, so we want to tell them three types of season like winter season, summer and rainy season, as well as we want to tell them many facts of each season. Okay, specific objectives, here you can see, to let them understand what is season, how many seasons are there and various facts of every seasons. Teaching aid, you can see here, chart, flex chart. We can use many stickers also. We can use stickers of umbrella, we can use stickers of like winter season and summer season, we can use that. Okay, here you can see, after that we have to ask question. We have to like ask a few question, 4 to 5 question to students. First question we have to ask is, what do we wear when do we wear sweaters? We have to ask this question to students, that when do we wear sweaters. Okay, so student will answer, we do usually wear sweaters in winter. We use sweater in winter only. Okay, in which season do we use raincoat or umbrella? Then they will answer, we use umbrella or we use raincoats in rainy season. Okay, after that, which is your favorite season? Then student will answer whatever their favorite seasons are. Do you know how many seasons are there? It would be problematic. If they're in class 1, it would be problematic. Okay, if you are asking this to like third or fourth or fifth class question, you can extend it, like you can change this question, because up to that class 3, 4, 5 they already know about these seasons. But if they are in class 1 or class 2, you have to ask this question, do you know how many seasons are there? Then it would be problematic. Okay, so here objectives and specification, you can see, to arouse previous knowledge, to check previous knowledge, to check attention, to link a past experience with present knowledge. Okay, subject is EVS and science, you can see here. Statement of aim, so what we have to do is, after asking them question, we have to like announce our topic. We have to say, students, today I am going to teach you topic season, and after that we have to write topic on blackboard also. You can see here topic. Okay, let me show you overall look. Okay, so this is overall look. Okay, now here you can see presentation 1. Here you can see we can we can take chart with ourselves, like for summer season we have to show like this ice cream or cold drinks. We can draw here, or we can we can take also chart with us. So this is the differentiate, this is, we are going to differentiate between these three seasons. So in order to differentiate, we have to like do something like this. This is tree diagram: summer season, winter season, rainy season. Okay, boy is wearing woolen clothes. Rainy season, so we do use umbrella and raincoats in rainy season. We have to explain like this. So in presentation 1, we have to explain everything about summer seasons. Okay, after that we have to ask a question related to that. We have to first explain them everything properly to students, and after that what we have to do is, we have to ask a question. Here I have added 3 questions. Okay, you can extend it up to 5 questions. How many seasons are there? What type of clothes we wear in summer season? When do we enjoy ice cream and cold drinks? And here you can see answers. Okay, and here is our blackboard work, so we can draw like this. Okay, This is ice cream, this is table fan, or whatever we use in summer season, we can draw on blackboard also. And I have right here some important points. So this way we have to explain everything, and after that we can also use some chart. So, and we have to, like now teacher have to again explain everything with the help of chart or model, whatever she has. So for this I will explain with help of chart. That is why I mentioned chart here. Students observing chart, and for teaching aid you can see here chart. Okay, so that same process, same thing we have to repeat again. This is second presentation. So we have to explain about winter season. You can you can draw here diagram of sweaters. Okay, sweaters like this. Okay, here you can see this is sweater, and this is tea or coffee we can draw on blackboard. Okay, and here I have write all the main points. Here question related with that: what type of clothes we wear in winter season, what type of food we prefer in winter. So this is what we have to ask to students. You can see here overall look of our lesson plan. Let's turn it. Now rainy season. So for that we can draw umbrella like this. Okay, we use raincoat or umbrella in rain. After that we have to ask question. So this is rest part of presentation 2. This is expected answer. You can see here we have to ask what do we wear mostly what do we wear in rainy seasons. Then student will answer we wear raincoats. Here you can see. So this we can draw on diagram, board also. Like this we have to draw black umbrella, raincoat, okay, on blackboard. Here you can see recapitulation. So we have to ask question. Okay, so just 3 questions. How many seasons are there? What type of clothes do we wear in summer season? When do we use raincoat and umbrella? Okay, so I have added it. You can see here 4th question I have added here, and here is the expected answer, okay, that we expect from students. Now this is our last page, fill in the blanks. This is application and evaluation. Here you can see 1 2 3 4 5. I have added 5 questions here. Okay, after that last part is home assignment. So for perfection of their knowledge, for perfection of students knowledge, we have to give home assignment to students. Teacher have to give home assignment to students. Okay, so this was my lesson plan on the topic season. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.